if you want to know how I do this one, is really simple. Just a toothpick, and then I using the Scotch tape and then tape 5 stick together, so it creates this really cool way to do. All right, ready? So I want to do pick one. Can you see? Everybody see?
Yeah.
Picks one and oh, here, gotcha. Right here. Right there. Oh, I can feel the weight on my nails. Okay, pick one. What is this one? The fur or something? There you go. Okay. Good. Ready? One. You can pick like a 2, 3, 4, 5 strings at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna flash here, okay? Just one more. For 30 seconds. And that's all you need. You can pick so many. Like 3 strokes, you have like so many cool. Okay, here, keep this. It's the jet black. I love it. It's go with every colors on the background, and make sure you close it before you do anything else because you don't want to cure. And we'll go ahead and get the condensed glue gels. My hand. Hey everyone, thanks so much, Shelby. Thank you, thank you. All right, so what I'm gonna do is pumpkin. Using the frames and the crystal, again, condensed glue gels. If you are having a really hard time with the crystal placements and it's not going to stay for you, this is going to be your bestie, okay? And then the no wipe top coat. Floating right on the top. What you don't want to be is drag it too hard because you don't want it to pull off your condensed glue gel. Close the condensed glue gels and then we can start doing the placements. All right, wait a minute. That's good. And I'm gonna place the drop. You can get this drop like a single shape, or you can have the pack of Insta-Pack of all different colors of a drop. So I'm gonna make her legs right here using the frame. If you feel that your frame is like too long, you can always cut it shorter. Is it a short legs? Is go first? Or go second? Hey, can you see me under the camera?
Yeah.
What happened?
A lot.
Well, doing my own nails.
So let's chase you.
Thanks to you. and adds another leg. You can do so many legs you want. The spider has like how many legs? I never pay attention that spider has how many legs? 8 legs. So which one you like better? I'm always doing it like the red one. You can also do the obsidians. Can you grab me a sample of the drop pack so I can show that way I get it from? The Insta-Pack. If you are in Pensacola's local here in our store in Pensacola, you can come into our storefront and browse through so many different products, like thousands of items we have, and you can see so many, and you can absolutely have it hands-on products, like play with the product with us. So when you're walking out, you will know exactly what the products you're getting, and also you can play with the products a little bit before you are leave, you know, so then you can get an ideas of. Thank you. I'm at some glow in the dark crystal from a glow in the dark crystal kits. Let's give it a little bit more dramatic. All right, so after I think I'm happy with this, we are going to, I put a little, like, I don't know, it's her eyes or whatever it is, or her antler, and then just wipe it off on the edges, so to make sure they are not having a lot of excess condensed glue gels and top coat, so then when you are completely clear, the nails doesn't look bulky at all. Okay, okay, hold on, let me see. It's hard to do it on. Should I do this?